Breaker 19, this here's a rubber duck. You got a copy on me, Pigpen? Come on. Oh yeah, 10-4, Pigpen, for sure, for sure. By golly, it's clean clear to Flagtown, come on. Oh yeah, that's a big 10-4 there, Pigpen. Yeah, we definitely got the front door good, buddy. Mercy sakes alive, looks like we got us a convoy.
It was the dark of the moon on the 6th of June in a Kenworth pulling logs. Cab over Pete with a reefer on and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We was heading for Bear on I-10 about a mile out of Shaky Town. I says, Pigpen, this here's a rubber duck and I'm about to put the hammer on down.
About 5 miles or so, 10 Roger. Them hogs is getting intense up here.
By the time we got into Tulsa town, we had 85 trucks in all. There's a roadblock up on the closest east, and them bears was all along. Yeah, them smokers was thick as bugs on a bumper. They even had a bear in the air. I says, calling all trucks, this here's a duck. We about to go hunt some bears. Well, we rolled up Interstate 44 like a rocket sled on rails. We tore up all of our swindle sheets and left them setting on the scales. By the time we hit that Chi-town, them bears was a-getting smart. They'd brought up some reinforcements from the Illinois National Guard. Yeah, there was armored cars and tanks and jeeps and rigs of every size. Them chicken coops was full of bears and choppers filled the skies. Well, we shot the line and we went for broke with 1,000 screaming trucks and 11 long-haired friends of Jesus in a chartreuse microbus.
Yeah, Southbuster, listen, you want to put that microbus in there behind that suicide jockey? Yeah, he's hauling dynamite. He needs all the help he can get.
Yeah, we laid a strip for the Jersey Shore and prepared to cross the line. I could see the bridge was lined with bears, but I didn't have a doggone dime. I says, Pigpen, this here's a rubber duck. We just ain't gonna pay no toll. So we crashed the gate doing 98. I says, let them truckers roll 10-4.
Anybody that sponsored, anybody that bought a ticket, that sold the ticket, that gave a donation, we say thank you on behalf of Colin.